Discover what marketing is in just 3 minutes. Hang around till to learn everything you need to know. Marketing plays a crucial role in today's digital landscape, encompassing a range of strategies from traditional advertising to modern digital techniques. It involves understanding consumer behavior, crafting compelling messages, and utilizing various platforms to reach target audiences. In this video, we'll explore the significance of marketing skills, which are essential for driving business success. Effective marketing not only enhances brand visibility but also fosters customer loyalty, making it a vital component for any organization aiming to thrive in a competitive environment. Marketing is defined as the action of promoting and selling products or services, encompassing various strategies to connect with consumers. Core components include market research, which identifies consumer needs and preferences, and advertising, which effectively communicates product benefits. Additionally, communication plays a pivotal role in delivering value, ensuring that clients understand how offerings meet their needs while also benefiting society. By integrating these elements, marketing creates meaningful connections that drive engagement and foster long-term relationships with customers. Traditional marketing methods, including billboards, TV ads, and radio spots, have long been used to promote products and services. However, these techniques face challenges, particularly in tracking return on investment, ROI, and effectively targeting specific audiences. Unlike digital marketing, traditional approaches often prioritize brand awareness over immediate sales, making it difficult to measure their direct impact. As a result, businesses may struggle to assess the effectiveness of their campaigns, highlighting the need for more precise and data-driven marketing strategies. The transition from traditional to modern marketing strategies has been significantly influenced by the rise of the internet and social media, which have transformed how businesses engage with consumers. Modern marketing emphasizes a customer-centric approach, focusing on understanding and meeting individual needs. This shift allows brands to deliver tailored products and services, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. By leveraging digital platforms, businesses can interact directly with their audience, gather valuable insights, and create personalized experiences that resonate with consumers. Digital marketing refers to the use of online platforms to promote products and services, allowing businesses to target specific customer segments effectively. Common types include search engine optimization, SEO, search engine marketing, SEM, email marketing, and social media marketing. Each form plays a crucial role in reaching audiences where they spend their time online. One significant advantage of digital marketing is the ability to track return on investment, ROI, in real time, enabling businesses to optimize campaigns and improve overall effectiveness. Digital marketing skills are invaluable for employees, freelancers, and business owners alike, enhancing career prospects and business growth. To help you on this journey, consider exploring Seth's free masterclass, which offers comprehensive insights into digital marketing strategies. Additionally, we encourage you to check out interviews with successful digital marketing professionals as they share their experiences and tips for navigating this dynamic field. Investing in your digital marketing education can significantly impact your success in today's competitive landscape. In this video, we highlighted the importance of understanding both traditional and modern marketing strategies, emphasizing how they complement each other in today's landscape. We also discussed the value of digital marketing skills, which are increasingly essential in today's job market. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe, like, and share this video with others. Don't forget to explore related content on our channel to further enhance your marketing knowledge and skills.